Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says solve the differential equation this. Okay, so look at this. If you will observe this situation now, like already you have segregated x and y, but do you think you can keep every y with dy and every x with dx? No, you cannot. Okay, so we cannot apply variable separable method over here. Now what we have to think? We have to think whether we can apply variable reducible to variable separable method or not. So in that idea we have studied three things. Out of those three things we will try to apply first filter. So like that is only applicable if x and y means linear function is intact together. So look at this question. So can I write this thing as dy by dx minus 1 is equal to e power x upon e power y or e power x minus y? We can do that. Now, can I write dy by dx is equal to e power x minus y plus 1? Now look at this. You cannot segregate all y together, all x together. And this linear function is intact together. So what we will do? We will apply reducible to variable separable method. And how we used to respond? Like in first filter, if we have linear function together, we used to assume that thing as z, and here you can observe that the linear function is together. Okay, so we will assume it as z and let's check whether we can solve it or not. We will differentiate our function with respect to x because our differential function is already like it is being differentiated with respect to x. So here also we will do the same. Okay, now look at this. So we have differentiation of x is 1 and then dy by dx. Now can I use value of dy by dx as 1 minus dz by dx is equal to e power z plus 1? Now can you play fruit ninja? This thing gone. Now can I segregate x thing and y thing together? Look at this. Yes, now we can apply variable separable method. So we have dz by e power z equals to dx, means we kept x thing one side and z thing one side. Now we will integrate both the things. If you will observe, can I write this question as minus of integration e power minus z dz is equal to dx? Now let's do the integration. So you know that e power x is e power x. Integration of e power x is e power x. But this is e power minus x. So can I write e power minus z by minus 1? You have to divide by the constant, na, constant of coefficient of the variable. Okay, and then we have integration of 1 as x plus integration constant c. So can I write this thing as like minus minus plus, so e power minus z is equal to x plus c. Now you know that they have given you question in the form of x and y, not in z. So you have to remove this z. So what is the value of z? The value of z is this. So can I write e power y minus x is equal to x plus integration constant c? Here you cannot solve for integration constant c because there is no such other information is available in the question. So this is the final result. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.